We're going to do a nice soft song for you this time, and it's a very beautiful old Irish love song called The Ballad of Fiona and Shane.
The swaying pines of eventide, the blue sky up above, all voices hushed and silent now. Fiona dreams of love. Her heart is filled with grief and fear. Her dreams, they are all in vain. She listens to the west wind sigh and dreams that it speaks to her of shame. Fiona, oh Fiona, the west wind whispers pain. Fiona, oh Fiona, I bring love greetings from Shane. Now Shane is betrothed to another love. He tries to be true and kind. He'll not look in Fiona's pale green eyes. His love for her he just can't seem to hide. One day she went to the forest green. She could no longer bear to stay. In silence now she roams the woods, and the green pines sing all the ways. Fiona, oh Fiona, the west wind whispers pain. Fiona, oh Fiona, I bring love greetings from Shane. One day he went to the forest green in search of wild meat and game. A young girl smiling with pale green eyes stopped to speak to young Shane. His heart remembered his love so true. He tried, but he failed to explain. In silence now he roams the woods, and the west wind speaks to Shane. Fiona, oh Fiona, her love was without a stain. I bring love greetings from Shane. Fiona, oh Fiona, the west wind